Look what I have ordered from Aliexpress for $1.37. And what is it? The model is XL4015 DC to DC, constant current, constant voltage, lithium battery step down charging board, LED power converter, lithium charger step down module. And what it says in specification: input voltage from 8 to 36 volts, output voltage from 1.25 to maximum 32 volts, output current adjustable maximum 5 amperes, that is nice, switching frequency 180 kilohertz. Alright, and this is the guy, and I got it. No bubbles. Why? First time looking. The PCB board looks very nice. Just to place this, okay, and it's a DC-DC converter, 5 amperes. It says in description that this guy can handle 5 amperes, and the regulator or the converter is XL4015 model. We have two adjustable potentiometers, multi-turn. One is for the current, other is for the voltage. And where it says, where is input? Oh, okay, this is the output, this is the input, and let's try it and test it. Do you notice the difference? I have a clean pad. Finally I got time to clean this, which is super nice. Adding some wires for input and output. Always be careful and watch out on the positive and negative terminal. You don't want to burn out your module. Positive, negative, positive, negative. Alright. Input, output. Adjustable DC converter, and I'm gonna measure with this tiny DC voltmeter that can handle, I think, maximum 30 volts. Okay, and I got a lot of comments how I made this. It's a simple, it's a LED voltmeter with two wires and heat tube, red protector sheet, and two alligator clips. One for negative and one for positive, and I can monitor the voltage. Let's plug in some input DC voltage. Okay, here it is, the LED voltmeter for measuring the output. Turning on the power supply. I'm gonna start with, let's say, with 10 volts. Okay, negative to negative, positive to positive. We have a red light and we have the output of 9.88 volts. Let's adjust the voltage. Okay, here we are adjusting the voltage with this multi-turn potentiometer. Okay, and now I'm gonna increase the voltage, and this voltage should stay on 6 volts, 49 volts. I'm gonna put some more volts from the power supply, 25, let's say. I'm gonna, by the way, This one is step down. If you input DC voltage of 25 volts, you can adjust the voltage from 1.25 to 25. This is not that kind of module. If you put 5 volts, let's say, input to increase to 12, that is a buck boost converter. This is step down. And with this module you can adjust also the current. Okay, let's increase the voltage now to a little bit more. 12, 13, 14, 15, let's say 20. Okay, working fine. Now I'm gonna test the current, and can this module handle 5 amperes? Okay, everything is connected. I have DC input from my power supply going to the converter. I'm monitoring the voltage on this tiny LED voltmeter, and I have an electronic load that is my unfinished project, and we're gonna monitor the current that is pulling the electronic load on this multimeter. Right now the DC input is 20 volts, the output voltage is 10 volts, and I'm gonna increase. Let's say we are at 1 ampere right here. 2 amperes. This power supply is pulling 1.25, but at 20 volts. Here we have 10 volts and it's pulling 2 amperes, that means 20 watts. Let's go to 3 amperes, 30 watts. Is it hot? No, it's not hot. Okay, and I'm gonna little bit more, 3.6 amperes, and the voltage drop, the maximum I think is 3.3, 3.4, 3. And it's dropping 3.3, 3.4 amperes at 10 volts. That means it's 35 watts, and I like it. It's good. Working fine. This cheap DC to DC converter works fine, and it's a step down converter, not step up and down, only down. To test the constant current and the voltage drop, my converter is set on 12 volts, but the current it's not letting any more than how much? 500 milliamperes, and right now we are at 6.7 volts, and I'm gonna increase slowly. Look, and the volts increasing on output. 12 volts, and it's pulling 1.15 amperes. You can adjust the current also. Nice future. So for $1.37 from Aliexpress, this module, DC to DC converter, 5 amperes. I tested with 3.5 ampere maximum, and it's great. So small but powerful. Okay, that was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel.